Update on my ampalaya. This is how big they are right now. It's more than 14 inches. So I don't know when will I gonna harvest this. And these are my siling labuyo, bird's eye pepper, I think, chili pepper, okra, lupa. I don't know when it will bloom. It's the lupa. Still okra, ampalaya, another ampalaya, and another ampalaya. These are okra roses for pollination. My squash, I don't know if it will bear some vegetable. I don't know. Okay. Still the chicken. Two chicken. I have these two. Aloe vera with siling labuyo. My eggplant, there's two eggplants, and hopefully it will bear more fruit. These are my tomatoes, but something is eating it. Jalapeno peppers, another tomato, bok choy or pechay. These are the labanos. It's my garden.